Man, this is not good. There's water coming out of the head and I have torqued it down. What intrigues me a little bit is the way the saddle sits quite high. One of the mistakes I made was spraying too much. So I've pulled out acetone first. It leaves a sort of a shiny-ish surface, which I've got to be careful of. And I'm going to spray a super thin coat just to absorb into the acetone. Have a look and see. Light spray, just like that. Okay, I'm going to have lunch now. I've ordered a new gasket, so that's saying it's 133, and the other gasket which has come out of the bike says 119. Fingers crossed. I'm getting that sealant all the way around. Using a bottle, a 5-litre bottle, mixing MX9, which was advised to me, 2-stroke oil for the bike. At 5 litres, the ratio 32:1 would be 156. I made it 160 just to make it a little richer. I'm not going to put a whole bunch of fuel in, we're going to have a room full of smells. And to put a new rubber on here, because this was leaking. This had pair rest. So let's see if this float is rising or dripping. It should overflow there if the float's not working. Okay, she's good. I don't put a lot of fuel in.
Could be. Pushing it now.
Today I'm going to be a little bit more prepared with the bike. Yesterday we had a great start. The motorcycle started perfectly, but it wouldn't idle. So I'm going to fiddle around with that, see if I can get it to idle nice and comfortably. Got a few idling issues, but nothing big. It's just an air screw setting. But once that's done, I'm going to do a video. I promise I will do a video where we're going to push the bike. A farmer down the road is giving me access to his farm, so we've got a mile stretch to really push this bike and get it to see what this fuss is all about with a beast like a CR500.